Okay, I'm doing the iPhone 6s again, the battery. It's not working well. I've got this new kit from Amazon, and it's a complete kit. It's under $20. It comes with an entire toolkit, okay, which most of it I already have, and a new battery, okay, and the instructions, okay, for customer service. And in here are the adhesive tabs, which I kind of really like that they included everything. So this kit pretty much has everything you need to do this repair, okay, which is amazing. So since we have it, let's utilize it to make the repair. Okay, it's even got the tool for the SIM card slot. So first, we gotta take the cover off. Let's see if that's the right size. I don't think so. I think it's this one right here. So I'm gonna use a magnifying glass. And take the two pentalobe screws out, just like that. 1, 2. And I've already turned the phone off, and I've removed the SIM card. Okay, and then since we've already taken apart before, I'm thinking that the separation of these two should be very simple this time. Okay, so I should be able to just get right under here and remove these two pieces. The connection's up here, so make sure you section it down here. There we go, right there. I'm gonna use the guitar pick this time. There we go, right there. Okay, there we go. There we go. Now we can release this. Okay, there we go. Okay, there we go now. And you need to support this, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to take the screw out for the battery. There's one right there. There's the other one. And then we should be able to remove the cover. And then using the spudger tool, we should be able to disconnect the battery. That's this thing right here, I believe. There we go. So now the battery is disconnected, okay? Now remember, those are the little pull tabs I put in there last time. Okay, so we're going to try to undo that, and we're going to try to pull this apart, okay? Give me a second. Okay, got the new battery in. I'm just put the adhesive on. I'm just taking the tabs off the back. It should be okay. Hopefully I put it in the right way. Then we're going to put the cover back on. Okay, we got two screws, a short one. And the long one. I really like these magnetized tips. Okay, so the cover's back on, and all I have to do is now close the lid. Okay. Make sure the hinge is in the right. There we go, right there. Close it. Just start from the top here and bring it down, and it should close. We just put the two pentalobe screws back in. One in there. Okay, and then use the pentalobe screwdriver to secure it Okay, and then we'll put the SIM tray back in. Okay, and then we'll power it on, make sure it works. And there we go, and that's it. Okay, so new battery, the old one's garbage. And that's it. Hopefully you have better luck on yours. This did take a little while, but life goes on. Thank you.